My name is Abdul Wahab. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Moulana Azad and Model School, Blackpalli, Shivajinagar. And my project name is Gas Leakage Alert System, which we use in our home. Gas cylinder, LPG gas cylinder. It will leaks means it will alert us. Here is a gas sensor, MQ5 gas sensor. Its name is gas sensor MQ5. And here is a sound buzzer, and here is a battery, and here is a connector, which we are going to connect. Now I am going to leak and show you the gas. It will make a simple sound. It will make a simple sound, and we have to alert where gas are leaking. Only we can know gas are leaking now. If we don't fit that system on that cylinder, we can't know. Only we can smell that gas, dirty smell, and we can don't know from in our home are leaking, our neighbor home are leaking gas. So this is a very small system. There you can fit in cylinders and all by the tape and all. You can, yeah, fit that, and you can use that easily, and it will help us and it will save our life. In 5 years 20,000 people has died in this accident, explosion, gas bursting. So this model is very easy to install anywhere. It is 90% of materials, school and home, reduce, reuse, recycle. We have used 90% material from school and home. So this is easy to install, and it will save many people's life.